for horse, who gallops the best. I is for iguana, climbing high. J is for jaguar, sneaky and sly. K is for kangaroo, bouncing around. L is for llama, on the mountains found. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, as small as can be. O is for ostrich, who can't fly. P is for penguin, waddling by. Q is for quail, tiny and quick. R is for rhinoceros, heavy and thick. S is for snake, slithering near. T is for tiger, with a mighty cheer. U is for umbrella, bird fancy and proud. V is for vulture, circling the clouds. W is for wombat, digging so deep. X is for Xeris, a squirrel that leaps. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear. We sang our song from A to Z. What's your favorite animal? Tell me. Thanks for singing along with me. The animal alphabet, A to Z. Let's learn more animals every day. Come back soon. Hip hip hooray.